in the United States, let's cook. Start with the sesame oil in a pan a little bit, and then crack 2 eggs. You can use more eggs if you want. I also added the scrambled eggs, which my husband cooked leftover, and he already seasoned his eggs, so I don't need to seasoning my fried rice today. And then stir the egg. This is what my husband scrambled eggs. And slice ham, sausage, the sweet sausage. I bought from my Thai friend, but you can buy it at Chinese market. And then add a little bit sriracha, chili sauce. If you like spicy, add more. And snap pea, carrot, and then stir them together a little bit. Add rice. I suggest you cook rice one day before you do fried rice. Gonna be better, not too wet. Okay, and stir a little bit, not take long time, and then you can serve. Or as I do, I put in the plastic container, and when my husband or myself would like to eat, we just heat up. Thank you.